Ciao, I'm Chiara from Facile Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these little roses. These roses are really cute and this super easy crochet project is perfect for any beginners that are new to crocheting. For this project I use the cotton yarn basic looks from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box, and the 2.5 millimeters hook. Then you will need a brooch base like this. Now we're going to create the rose, so first chain 36. Now we do 2 double crochet into the 4th chain from hook. So now chain 1, then skip the next chain, then we do 3 double crochets into the next one. So now chain 1, then skip the next chain, then we do 3 double crochets into the next one, and continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. And now skip the next, then we do 3 double crochets into the last chain. So now chain 2, then turn the work, then we do 1 double crochet into this first stitch here. Then we do 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and now we do 1 double crochet into the next. So now chain 2, then we do 1 slip stitch into the chain 1 space of the previous row, chain 2, then we do 1 double crochet into this very first stitch, then we do 2 double crochet into the next, then we do 1 double crochet into the next one. So now chain 2, then we do a slip stitch into the chain 1 space of the previous row, chain 2, and now we are going to work another group. So we do 1 double crochet into the first of the 3 double crochet, then we do 2 double crochet into the next one, then we do 1 double crochet into the last one. And of course chain 2, then we do a slip stitch into the chain 1 space of the previous row. So all we have to do now is to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. So now we roll up in this way to create the rose. Then join the rose using a needle. And now we are ready to create the leaf or leaves as you prefer. So grab the green yarn, basic looks from Mondial and 2.5 millimeters hook. Then chain 8. So now we do 2 double crochet into the third chain from hook. Pay attention, we work in back loop only because we are going to work the opposite side too. So first 2 double crochet into the third chain from hook. Then we do 2 double crochet into the next chain in back loop only. Now we do 1 double crochet into the next chain. Then we do 1 half double crochet into the next chain. And now we do 1 half double crochet again into the next chain. Now we do 3 single crochet into the last chain. And now we are ready to work the opposite side. So first we do 1 half double crochet. Then we do 1 half double crochet into the next loop. Now we do 1 double crochet into the next loop. Now we do 2 double crochets all in the next loop. And now we do 2 double crochet more into the last loop here. Then join with the slip stitch into the third chain here. And this is the first leaf, and of course make another one. So now join the 2 leaves together using the hot glue. Then join the rose on the leaves using a hot glue too. And if you want a brooch, of course grab your brooch base then place the rose in this way using a hot glue. Now let me show you the finished rose. I want to show you some other ideas I've made before, but of course you can choose any colors you prefer. These roses are very useful for decorating and beautifying our project. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your little roses. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love.